Hey everyone, welcome back to my Active Observe online classes. Here you will learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. So, see the words, hear the words, and say the words. In this video, you will learn 30 words describing occupations and jobs. Let's start the video now. Scientist. Scientist researches different topics. Scientist. Next. Gardener. Gardener takes care of plants and flowers. Doctor. A doctor is to treat people who are ill or hurt. Plumber. A plumber fixes pipes and toilets. Businessman. A businessman runs a business. Farmer. A farmer grows crops and takes care of animals. Secretary. A secretary helps with office work. Lawyer. A lawyer helps people with legal problems. Nurse. A nurse takes care of patients. Firefighters. A firefighter puts out fire and saves people. Engineers. An engineer designs and builds things. Journalist. A journalist reports news stories. Electrician. An electrician takes care of electrical equipment. Driver. A driver drives a vehicle. Driver. Chef. A chef makes food in a kitchen. Mechanic. A mechanic repairs vehicles. Waiter. A waiter serves foods and drinks. Next. Baker. A baker makes bread and cakes. Now, cashier. Cashier works with money at register. Teacher. A teacher helps students to learn something new. A police officer. A police officer protects people and keep the law. Soldier. A soldier protects the country and its citizens. Accountant. An accountant manages financial records. Writers. Writers. A writer writes stories and books. Dentist. Dentists help patients keep their teeth gum healthy. Carpenters. Carpenters builds and repairs things made from wood. Cobbler. A person who makes or repairs shoes. Cobbler. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? इसका आंसर मुझे कमेंट में आप बताएंगे. Next. Actors. An actor acts in plays and movies. Goldsmith. Goldsmiths design and makes gold jewelries. Blacksmith. Blacksmith is a metalsmith who make metal using tool like hammer. So friends, आज की क्लास में इतना ही. I hope you enjoyed learning these new words. Please watch other videos or channels and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watch these videos every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. Thank you for watching these videos. Please like and subscribe my channel.